We gotta go, guys. Good morning, guys. Happy day after Memorial Day weekend. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you guys had a chance to sit back, relax, enjoy your cookout, chill with the family, do something with your kids if you have them, or just kind of, take it easy this weekend. And if you worked, hey, do what you got to do, right? That's what I'm talking about. As long as you are feeling great about what you did this weekend, it's all good with me, man. I'm here to support you. Well, what I'm doing is, let me show you real quick. Bam. I'm filling up my cooler with some water, and we'll stop at the ice machine. We're currently paying $1 for 10 pounds of ice, which is pretty good. So what's going on this week? Nothing much. We are going to do our usual customers, our bi-weekly and weeklies. And what's going to happen is within not this week, but next week, then everybody become weekly. And we have a handful of people that are staying bi-weekly. And just so you know, give you a quick, if you're paying, on average, if you're paying $40 or 35, again, my minimum, and yes, I do have a minimum. My minimum is $39 for the weeklies and $45 for the bi-weeklies. And you can only stay bi-weekly with me if you're not watering or fertilizing. What? Yeah. Because the reality is, and believe me, guys, and I don't know where you guys are, but some people don't water and some people don't fertilize. All they want is a yard cut and grass, maintained to a certain height. That's it. But if you're watering and you're fertilizing, the grass is going to grow higher. So that means that, we're going to have more time spending having to cut it down, whatever the case might be. But yeah, that's where we do it. And it's working out extremely well. When it comes to weeklies, don't forget, guys, weekly, you have a price. Let's say if you're charging $35 or $40, once they are bi-weekly, then your charge should be, $55, $60. That's just the right thing because you're spending more time and it takes you a longer time. You know what I mean? Do not, again, it's up to you, but I'm just telling you, if you're charging $40, don't go to 45 because $5 more. No, you got to increase it, guys. You got to increase it because you're spending more time trying to get that loan back to, the usual way. And you staying there, you double cutting, you triple cutting, whatever you have to do to make it look good. Because again, your work is what you leave, right? People will see your work, your truck parked there, and once you leave, they don't know if the customer said, hey, don't edge, don't do this, don't do the other. All they do is they look at it and go, so that's why he leaves. They don't know if you're bi-weekly or you're weekly. All right, so today's gonna be a great day, guys. We have our schedule. I think we have 18, 19 today. And what's gonna happen is, and maybe my videos may slow down eventually, but Quest is going to be taking over this truck, him and Harrison, and they're going to be doing their thing, and then I'll go out there here and there. But that's what I'm saying today. Who knows? I'll probably just continue on with them. Why? Because that's what I like doing, right? It's supposed to be in the triple digits today. Right now it's like 80, 81 degrees, but it's supposed to get in triple digits today, guys. Make sure you take care of your guys. Make sure you have a lot of water for them, some Gatorade, some fruit, and keep an eye on them. Keep an eye on them because the last thing you need is for one of you guys to have a heat injury. You have heat exhaustion, heat strokes. Make sure you know how to identify these symptoms. Okay. All right, so let's get into the video. Enjoy. Hey guys, wanted to give you a quick update. This is the temperature right now, 98 degrees. So we took a little break. It's currently 1 o'clock, and we did 19. So we're gonna try to hit another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another 7 in this subdivision, and that should be it for the day. But you know, it's just I don't think I'm gonna film any mowing today, guys. It's freaking hot, and I'm trying to keep my guys motivated. And we just stopped at the gas station, and they're getting some drinks, some cold drinks. You know, I have water, I have stuff like that. So, but I'm trying to keep them motivated. All right, let's see if I film a little bit some. It's extremely dry, very, very dry. But we're still cutting them. Yeah, our customers still want us to cut. So, and it's scheduled to rain here on either Thursday or Friday. Yeah. But yeah, let's see what we can get into. Man, our yards are dry. Super, super dry. But we're doing them up. Oh, let me turn this off so they don't gig me. It's 101, guys. All right.
Huh?
I
gotta go. Will you still record?
Yeah.
You should have paused it first.
Yeah.
I was just gonna be hanging out the car. You've been like, it's 101 guys that just put it on me, and I just be like this. Hanging out the car.
Didn't we do that already?
No, I did the one when I was like that. But I'm talking about I was
Oh.
like.
So believe it or not, you see how dry it is? All we're gonna do is just take the little top off and keep it moving, because the moment it rains, all these lawns are gonna turn green. I mean, immediately, a couple of like 1 or 2 days later. It's amazing. I'll show you guys. Whew. Go ahead, man. It is so freaking hot, guys. Quest had to take his vest off and sit on it. You know, I'm not the one to complain about heat, but this is hot.
Yeah, I ain't finna burn up my butt. Cause you wanna leave the mower in the sunlight.
Where you want me to put it, Quest?
Park it in the shade in the trailer till we get done.
Man.
Under that tree. See all the worms and stuff.
Just hit one. Man. It is freaking hot. Yo, you all right? All right, man. Hey, you can't be messing up your knee on the last two. Shit. All right, gents.
All right, let's give it our all, fellas. You came to work hard, and hard work will pay off.
All right, let me see where. Hold on, let me see the temperature. Turn this radio off.
Backyard.
Hey, 15 and 14. How much is that?
49.
So we did 27. This is 28. And that one up there is 29. And that's it for the day. Gentlemen, you are lawn care heroes. Hey, and 101 degrees.
I seen that, but
Yeah, on video too. We gotta go, guys. I wish I could keep filming, but it's 101 degrees and it's hot. We're on our 29th. Don't break my shit, man. Not at the end. Not at the end, man.
No, his body just gave
Your body just gave up.
No, he slammed it. His whole body went with that one.
Hey guys, we gotta go, man. Hopefully I film some tomorrow, but right now.
Hey man, listen. We hitting all the lakes early tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Peace.